Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix time sensitive message fail to send on iPhone. For example, if you have already applied for a time sensitive message and you have set the time and the time sensitive message has been failed to send. For example, if you set a specific time for a message and it is failed to send, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to turn it off again so that your network connection can be restarted. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to again go to settings and you have to go to general. In general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network setting, and after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back and again go to settings, and after that you have to again go to general, and here you have to go to iPhone storage. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of iMessage option here, and after that you have to make sure that all of the memory has been cleared from the iMessage. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that the iMessages has provided all the details and turn on the toggle for the time sensitive notification. So here you have to go to my messages, and after that, what you have to do, you have to check whether you have allowed time sensitive notification for iMessages, and after that you can simply check all the details here, and you have to make sure that you have allowed the notification. And after checking all the details, you can simply turn off the time sensitive notification toggle for a second, and after that you have to turn it off again, and this will fix your error. If any kind of problem is occurring again, you can also mention as in the comments. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.